Derek Moss. We're back. It's week 3 and we're back in Arnell's gym, back in the cold. Here to teach you some more kettlebell trainings for week 3. If you haven't watched weeks 1 or 2 yet, I suggest you do that now. I guess since you're still here, back to the program. The version of the swing I'm going to teach you today is called the hand-to-hand swing. I've also seen it called the Darcy swing. So the way you do it, swing it one hand up, switch it at the top, one hand up, switch it at the top. Notice that my empty hand mirrors the kettlebell but on the outside. And also notice I'm not muscling it up. Muscling it up is bad, and that kind of looks like... And also make sure not to switch it at the bottom because you'll just get yourself tangled up that way. So again, one hand, swing it up, switch hands at the top, swing it up, switch hands at the top, swing it up, switch hands at the top. I kind of like to grab it a little bit by the corners of the handles. That way it leaves enough room for my hands. Remember to synchronize your breathing. Like so. Leave it, lying it gently on the ground and onto a continuation of the Turkish Getup. By now you probably have a good feel for the Turkish Getup. So we're going to build upon that. Here we go today. Lift up your hands, remembering to keep my arms straight. My eyes are always on the bell. Using this hand to help me up. I kind of like to usually drive my forearm to the ground first, switch my feet, lift my hips up, supported on 3 points, and just from here, I'm going to posture up, and then back down. I'm going to switch my hands between each rep today. And then switch sides. Remember, eyes are always on the bell. This hand is going to help me up. I almost drive my elbow to the ground first, and then the rest of my arm follows. Switch my feet, lift my hips up, knees are in the spot, right spot. My arms are forming a straight line from the kettlebell to the ground, and then just posture up, and then back down. Just like that. So now, we're going to go through one full round of complete conditioning, flexibility, and strength. Remember, arms are going to be loose like ropes. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give myself a couple breaths, and then we're going to switch hands every rep. I'm starting on my weak side, and we're going to do a max of 6 reps today. Remember, take your time with this one. Switch my feet, and posture up. 1, 2, 3, Very important to keep my arms straight and always keep my eye on the bell. That keeps me in proper alignment. Remember, don't rush through this. Haste makes waste on this exercise. That was 5. And we'll do one more. Six reps. Once you have that down, you can alternate back and forth for anywhere between 3 and 5 rounds. I'm Eric Moss. If you want more information, go to oldschoolworkouts.com. You can go to my blog, ericjmoss.com, or my other website, rockbodyfitness.com. I want to thank Arnell for letting me work out in his gym again. Peace out.